sure about this one. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, this is sunk thick mud. Whoa, okay. Alright, good thing we're checking here. Little hole. Pretty much anything waist height's game over. My Polaris. Rhino clamps from Getting Tire, 20 bucks for these two clamps. Pretty good. I just had these hose clamps temporarily installed for now. I'm just gonna cut this. Let's go cut this one down. And away you go, if you can. If anybody has seen one of those, yes, it's an actual thing. Electric pressure washer, battery powered. Stick your DeWalt battery. Take your DeWalt battery. Just get that clip in there. This goes in. And away you go. When's the last time you washed the underneath of your seat? Or the inside of it? Good boy, okay. Get that out of the way. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Hey, this will never end, eh? There we go. And just like that, I will see you guys next video. Peace.